Hello, this is Eli at SafeNet. In the LDK, we have a subdirectory called Legacy. It resides under SafeNet Sentinel LDK Legacy. And I want to explain what this is about. Obviously, if you use LDK, you have everything you need in order to create licenses and manage them and make everything that you need about licensing and about activation, etc. But there are several customers, ISVs, who still use Business Studio, which was the former tool for creating and managing licenses. And for them, if you still use Business Studio, we have provided this legacy. So here you see that we have, first of all, the Business Studio itself as a tool and all its files that supports it. So you can still use Business Studio if you want. And if you use Business Studio, most probably that you also use Business Studio Server API, which is like, instead of using the GUI, you can use programmably the API. So you have here Business Studio Server API also available for you. And since you use Business Studio Server, obviously only if you still use it. If the LDK as the EMS, which is the replacement and a new tool for managing licenses, so you don't need it. But if you still use the Business Studio Server, so most probably you still have end users which still use the activation. And so there is an activation API. Once again, this is not needed with the LDK because in the LDK we have activation as part of the EMS Web Services API. But if you use the Business Studio Server, still the old activation is required. So we provide it for you only for legacy support. Thank you for watching.